build next-generation AI-powered applications with less code, using natural language and AI-powered features. Hi, my name is Simon Hunt, and I'm Head of Product Management for Oracle Apex. I've been building apps and services using Oracle Apex since it was first released in 2004. Because they are low-code, the applications I delivered continue to be maintained to this day. And best of all, as Apex gets better, all your applications get better. Apex is a popular enterprise low-code application platform used globally to build custom, data-centric web applications. Apex enables you to build beautiful, scalable, and secure AI-powered applications with world-class features. We deliver value to your organization by building apps faster, with less code and minimal maintenance. Our mission is simple: to empower developers to easily build compelling apps with superior functionality, performance, and end-user experience. Apex is used by citizen and professional developers, line of business, departmental teams, and data scientists. They deliver complex solutions with less cost and time and superior UI. Apex has a unique architecture. It runs inside the Oracle database, delivering unparalleled performance on large data sets. An Oracle database can connect to other data sources using Oracle REST data services, database connections, REST-enabled SQL, and we have created special adapters for things like Fusion and MySQL. Solutions can be deployed anywhere there is an Oracle database, either on-prem or cloud, engineered systems, or commodity hardware. Apex is a suite of services available through a web browser with no need for browser plugins. The App Builder is a web IDE for creating beautiful data-centric web applications. The SQL Workshop is for writing SQL queries and interrogating data. Team development enables teams to collaborate on product backlogs, respond to feedback, and log bugs. Apex includes a comprehensive workflow tool for building human automation of process flows. Through Wards, we include RESTful services for connecting to other systems, an object browser for managing database objects, a data workshop for loading and unloading data, and administrators can monitor all the activity on the platform. The App Gallery includes a range of pre-built sample and starter apps, various tools, and you can even add your own custom apps. And finally, you can deploy apps with just one click or integrate Apex with any DevOps tooling using command line instructions. During 2024, we incorporated AI into Apex, which delivers GenDev capabilities for developers and AI-powered components for end users. For developers, we have created an Apex AI assistant, which can create database models, build applications, write queries, and offers assistance in any code window in Apex. For end users, we have created an AI-powered chat window for a conversational interface in the context of your application. There's also a new text area page item where users write text assisted by AI. We have added AI vector search to the search configurations. And then finally, augment your AI service with your own data using retrieval augmented generation. Worried about security? Don't be. Machine learning models can be embedded into the Oracle 23 AI database, and we have a selection of private large language models running on the OCI GenAI service. Now let me show you how easy it is to build AI-powered apps using Oracle Apex. In this demonstration, I'm using an OCI 23 AI autonomous database with Apex 24.2. The Apex environment has been configured with the OCI GenAI service. I have also added an embedding model to my 23 AI database, which is an easy and efficient way to create vectors for your data. To install the model, follow this easy-to-follow blog post. Just go to blogs.oracle.com and search for pre-built model for embedding generation. For the demonstration, I will follow the Getting Started guide and dataset from our website and use it to highlight how AI can improve the developer and user experience. Go to apex.oracle.com, select Build Your First Apex App from the Learn drop-down menu, and then download the NYC schools file. Now, let's log into our Apex workspace. Go to the SQL Workshop, Utilities, and create data model using AI. Now in here, using natural language, we've told the AI assistant what it is we want and then added all the columns from the spreadsheet we downloaded earlier. The AI assistant has returned a data model and we just click Create SQL Script. Give the script a name, and then we're going to add a vector column and a trigger to populate the vector embeddings. And now in SQL Workshop, we can view the database table. For the data, we need to load the data, and we can just drag and drop the spreadsheet we downloaded earlier. Load the data. And now view the table. Now we can generate the application from our data. Click Create App. And in the app creation wizard, let's give the application a new name and select a logo. You can see all of the pages that the wizard wishes to create, and we can make any adjustments that we need at this stage. You can choose any of our pre-built features and then click Create Application. Run the application, and it will open in a new browser tab. Authenticate, and now we're going to change the look and feel of the application with the Apex theme roller. So let's select a new theme, change the primary color, and make any layout changes that we need. Let's give the new theme style a name and save it. Now let's look at the application that's been created. We've got a dashboard with all sorts of charts and graphs on it. We get a faceted search where we can explore the data and filter. And we get an interactive report. But let's change the layout. Let's choose some default columns. That looks better. And now we can save that as our default configuration. Okay, let's go back to the search. And let's try to search for a school that does European languages. As you can see, no data is returned. So let's use AI vector search now to create semantic meaning for our data. So we go to Shared Components, Search Configuration, and let's create a new search configuration. We'll give it a name and give it a type. Select the vector provider and the table where our data is. Next, we map the columns and create our new search configuration. If we scroll down, we can map some additional columns so that the search page will show more information. Okay, now let's create a search page. So we go to the application homepage, create page, and look for the search template. Give the new page a name and select the search configuration we just created. No need for a breadcrumb, and create the page. Top right-hand side, we can run the page. And here it is. Now let's search for schools that teach European languages. And there you have it. Now we can see that it's returning schools that are teaching all sorts of different European languages. We've got Portuguese, Spanish, Italian, and French. So now let's add an AI assistant to our application. So go back to the application, Shared Components, and go to AI Configurations. And let's create a new AI configuration. Let's give it a name, select the service, and set the system prompt, which will be the context for the conversation. We'll create the AI configuration, and now let's add a button on page 1 that will open up the AI assistant. So let's create the button, give it a name, and set the styling. Now let's add a dynamic action to the button, which will open the AI assistant. And this is going to use the AI configuration we just created. Now let's run the page and open the chat window. And let's ask the same question again. And we get a response back from our AI assistant. Okay, now let's give our AI assistant the ability to look at our data. So we go back to shared components, go to our AI configuration, and we're going to add a RAG source. So give the RAG source a name and a description. And now we're going to use the Apex AI assistant to build our SQL query. Let's insert that query, validate it, and create our RAG source. Now when we run the page and we ask the same question, the AI assistant will be returning data drawn from our own data set. In this demonstration, I have shown how to use GenAI to build apps with AI features. Oracle Apex is included free with the Oracle database, and it's available as a fully managed service on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Because Apex runs directly inside the Oracle database, it delivers outstanding scalability, is cost-effective, and provides exceptional performance, even with working with large datasets. One of Apex's standout features is its responsive user interface, which adapts seamlessly across desktop and mobile devices. It's an ideal platform for building data-driven applications and for extending existing SaaS solutions. And finally, Apex is leading the way in generative development and AI-enabled features, giving customers easy access to the latest advancements in this rapidly evolving technology. There are several ways to discover more about Oracle Apex. First, try one of the Oracle Database for Free products, which includes Apex right out of the box. Next, explore one of our many live labs and tutorials at livelabs.oracle.com. You'll find everything from beginner-friendly guides, like migrating a spreadsheet, to more advanced labs, such as building a Q&A interface powered by generative AI. And finally, visit our comprehensive information portal, where you can read success stories, try a free workspace, engage with the Apex community, and access a wide range of free courses through the Oracle University. Thank you for watching, and please do check out the other sessions at DatabaseWorld.